Welcome. If you want to change theme of your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, at the first you have to go for the themes. Right now we are able to pick up one of the following themes, but I will take maybe this one, this stock. So click, tap free to download, and after that just click apply. And when we go back, you can see that our theme has changed, in my case from the stock Android to Xiaomi. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.